Hey guys, we received this Bruno Marc men's classic dress casual Chukka boots 2.0 for test and try. So this is size 7, comes in a really nice box and premium packing. Really looks nice. They are the nice shoe. So the Chukka boots design, as you can see it here. So let me take out all this protective covering thing. So from the side, it's a really nice material, the nice stitching, a good sole, and the memory foam bottom as well. So there are the laces shoes, so you can just have these laces in and so set it up and then show it to you. So they have a little high angle side. So it's not boots, but they are a little higher than the normal shoes. So you've seen the feel and the comfortable. Also, like from the bottom and the side, all the stitching and everything looks good from the bottom on the back side, and this is the front side. The shoes look clearly nice and comfortable, and the feel is good as well.